Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to your online classes, all students. Today we are going to learn a revision of what? Revision of a FA1 exam. Your FA1 exam will become in a few days. Okay, so students, now today we are going to do a revision of our chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. So students, let's see here today's first quote, and then after we are going to do the revision. Okay, so now let's check here today's quote. So what is today's quote? I hope you are confusing because of here what you read. Don't quit or do it, because of here is cross. So students, you always think I cannot do, otherwise what do you do? What you to decide? Don't. Okay, what we are decide for you? Don't quit. Okay, never quit anything. You can do it. Okay, so don't quit into N or T close or Q or U close, and then we make the new idioms. Do it. Anyhow we do it our work, and you can do it properly, all students. Okay, so now students, let's today starting the start the preparations of FA1 exam. Okay, so students, let's start here. Revise the chapter number 1. Okay, but before starting, one thing students, I hope you all are taking a book, rough book. Now that is your nowadays till to your exam, I am going to teach you a what importance topic related to our exam. So students, you must be write in your rough book what I am teaching you or teach you. Okay, and what I taught you, you all know. So these all things we are going to learn in those days. Okay, students, now your FA1 exam syllabus 20 marks 2021 standard 3rd. Now we are move on the what we are going to do today we are going to do revision of FA1 exam. Okay, what to do, all students? Today we are going to do a revision of FA1 exam. In FA1 exam, how many chapters will become, all students? Chapter number 1, place value, and chapter number 2, addition and subtractions. These both topics are coming in this FA1 exam. So students, today we are going to do revision of FA1 exam. And FA1 exam, how many chapters will become? In FA1 exams, 2 chapters are come. Chapter number 1 is place value, and chapter number 1 is place value, and chapter number 2 is addition and subtraction. So students, now let's do the revision of what? Let's do the revision of chapter number 1 now. Okay, but before starting, what is a paper style? Let's check here how many questions and which questions we are coming in our exam. So now let's check here, students. Okay, this is your what our maths paper style, and those questions are come in our FA1 exam. So students, you must be prepared for your FA1 exam. Okay, and I hope you all are a good performer. Okay, so students, you have a lot of confidence or a great potential in yourself. So students, now let's check here paper style. What is paper style of our maths sums? Okay, so maths paper, subject maths. Okay, how many marks of maths? How many marks of exam? 20 marks of exam. Okay, so students, write in words. Question number first A, what? Write in words. First question is write in word. So the question is like that, we ask, we give a figure or digit in question, and students, you have write there in words. Okay, as like that 100, so you should be write there a 100 spelling there. Okay, in words. hundred, hundreds, s, okay, hundreds. Then understood, as like that, it's a 4 marks. How many marks? 4 marks. Then after the question number 2, build a number. How can we build a number? Okay, is this all both question number 1a and question number 2, both questions for a chapter number 1. Okay, how can we build a number? You all know already. We learn, I taught you in exercise number first B, question number 3 in exercise number first B, build a number. How can we build? Okay, so in the in question I will be give you in place other places, means one place is 2, in 10 places is 4, and then after 100 places 0, and 1000 places are 3. So what you should be right there? Okay, so these all places you first check, and then answer you should be right all places. Okay, means 9 in 1 place, 0 in 100 place, 6 in 10 place, 7 in 1000 place. As you write, okay, you write as like that. Only you identify the place, which place and which digit. Understood? Then after mixed practice, what is a mixed practice? So mixed practice, chapter number 2 is what, all students? Addition. Okay, chapter number 2, what is the name of chapter number 2? Addition. Question number 3, basis on a chapter number 2, mixed practice. And in question number 3, mixed practice, all addition sums. We do the exercise number 2A, question number 3. So students, I hope you what I am saying you all are understood betterly. Okay, chapter number 2, exercise number 2A, mixed practice of all additions. So you must prepare for your exam. And then after word problems of addition, it's also coming in chapter number 2. What? It's also coming in chapter number 2. And it's a 6 marks, mixed practice is a 5 marks, build a number is a 2 marks. And find the sum. What is a find the sum? Find the sum. So it's a exercise number 2C, question number 1, find the sum, all students. Okay, so this question number 3, 4A and 4B is all three questions into a chapter number 2, and first both questions are coming into the chapter number 1. Write in words 4 marks, build a number 2 marks, mixed practice 5 marks, chapter number 2, word problems, addition, chapter number 2 6 marks, and chapter number 2 find the sum 3 marks. Okay, first both question number A and question number 2 both are coming into the chapter number 1, and then after chapter number question number 3, 4 and 4AB. Okay, these 3 questions are coming into the chapter number 2. So I hope you all are understood what I am telling you. So now students, now we start here the chapter number 1, place value. First of all, we paper style wise we are do the revision of chapter number 1. Got my point, all students? So now let's start here the chapter number 1. Okay, so what is the first question? Write in words, because of we know how can we write in words. Okay, here I am explaining you, or we do here revise the chapter number 1, counting by which chapter? But place value. Okay, in place value chapter number 1st. In place value, this topic, first topic is what? Counting by 1000. The blue digit tell us how many thousands. A blue digit, this all see here, this blue digit 1 2 till 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, this all first blue. The blue digit tell us how many thousands. Here this all blues telling us what? Telling us what? How many thousands are in a box. The comma spreads the 1000 from the rest of the digit. Okay, in 1000 how many 0 will become in 1000, all students? 30. Okay, in a 30 are coming in thousand. In thousand, how many digits are come? 4 digit. Okay, 10,000 in 5 digit and 6 digit. So 1 lakh. Got my point, all students? So now here in 4 digit number, so 1000. Okay, so here is 1 is tell us blue color, blue digit tell us what? 1. Okay, 1000. So here we wrote ONETHOUSAND. Okay, so 1000. How can we write 1000 in a words? 1, first of all you write the spelling of 1, ONE1, and then you write the 1000 spelling. Okay, so 1000. Understood, all students? Then after, now which color is bluish here? Second means 2. 2000, here 3 means 3000, here 4 means 4000, here 5, so 5000, and then after 6, so 6000. Got my point, all students? So 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000 and 10,000. Okay, students, first of all, what you write here? 1, 2. First of all, you write the single digit bluish color. Here is 6. So first of all, we write here the spelling of 6, S-I-X, and then we write the spelling of 1000. So it makes 6000. Got my point, all students? The blue digit tell us how many thousand. The yellow digit tell us how many hundreds. A comma separate the 1000 from the hundreds. Here is the all bluish color says the place of 1000. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000 and 10,000. And then next page will become the hundreds. Hundreds are in a yellow digit. The yellow digit tell us how many hundreds. What? A yellow digit, how many hundreds. Got my points? But now here not to do, only we are do this all 1000 to 10,000. Okay, it's not a necessary. This hundreds is now not a necessary. Now we move on. Forming a 4-digit number. How can we form? Means how can we make a 4-digit number? Forming a 4-digit number. So it means what? We have a break here. Make here a 4-digit number. Means a one digit means a 1 place, then this tens place, and this 100 place, and this 1000 place. So 4-digit number. So here 1, 2 or 3 blocks. Okay, in each block has a 1000. Blocks are small boxes. Okay, so that's why here 3000. Here what? 1 and 2 box, but each boxes has how many boxes in it? 100. And here 10 blocks, small 10 blocks, and here 5 blocks. So 5 is a 1 place, 10 is a 10 place, 10 is a 10 place, 200 is a 100 place, and 3000 is 1000 place. Okay, so how can we write as a follow, and how can we write as a place value chart? By a place value chart. So here one by one write here the forming numbers. Okay, first of all we write the place of ones. In 1 place how many? 5. So we wrote here. Then after 10 place, how many first digit of 10 place? 1. So in 10 place 1, not we are mentioning 0 here, because of only mention of first digit means only first digit. Okay, so 10 place is a 1. Then after 100 place is which number, all students? Number 2 means 200 here, and 1000 place here 300 means 3. 3000 of which word is first? 3, so means is 3. Okay, so 1000 place of 3, 100 place of 2, and 10 place of 1, and 1 place is 5. So how can we read 3000, 200 and 15. 15 means 1 5 15. 3215. Got my point, all students? 3250. We format as like those number and we read as like that 3215. So now let's check here the second example of forming a 4-digit number. Here is one by one. Let's check here. Okay, here is a thousand place of 6 box, means 6,000. Okay, 6,000. First of all, 6 box or 6 blocks. In each block has 1,000. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. 6 blue blocks, big blocks are there. So each blocks has 1,000. Have 1,000 in a sub box. Okay. So one box has 1,000, second box is 2,000, third box is again 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 and 6,000. Got my point? So first of all, we in place of 1,000, 6,000. Then after which number is come? 100. So in 100 place, what is come? How many blocks are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 blocks are there. What 7 blocks are there? Of 7,000, this all blocks, 7 blocks. Each block has a 100. Okay, so it's a 700. A place of hundreds are 700. And then after 10 place, so 10 place is nothing here. Here is only 2. So 10 place of 0. So no 10 strips. So 0 in the tens. What? No numbers. No number in a 10 place. So that's why what we put there. That's why we put there what? 0. Then after what to do? Then after 1 place. In 1 place how many numbers? 2. In 1 place how many number, all students? 2. Got my point, all students? Okay, so now one by one we put the all places. Okay, first of all our 1,000 place. So 1,000 place. So how many thousands are here? 6,000. So 6,000 of this first digit 6. We are putting as it is 6. Then after 700. So we are putting as it is 7, as like that we put a 7 as it is here. Then after 10 place. So in 10 place 0. So no 10 strips. So 0 in the 10. So what to do that time? That time we put the 0, all students. And then after 1 place. 1 place is how many blocks are there? 2. So answer is what? 6,702. What, all students? 6,702. Got my point? Again I am repeating you. 6,702. 1,000 place is 6, 100 place is 7, 10 place is 0 and 1 place is 2. Got my point, all students? I hope you all are understood, and I hope you all are do and well preparations of our FA1 exam. Okay, and you got the best and you get the best score. Okay, and now our last example. Okay, here students, how many blocks are there in first? In here how many blocks are? Here 4 blocks are there, means in 1,000 place are 4 blocks. So that time what to do? That time we count it. Okay, so 4 means how many thousands are there? 4,000. Each block has 1,000. Then 1,000, then second box is 2,000 and third box is 3,000. Got my? And fourth is 4,000. Then after which place is all coming, all students? 100 place. So 100 is here? No, 100 place is nothing number or nothing blocks. 0 blocks or 0 digit. So that time in 100 place we put the 0. Okay, then after 10 place. 10 place, how many blocks are there? in 10 place there are here 20 box total. How many? 20. 20 box are there. Okay, then after which place comes, students? Ones. One place comes. So one place, what to do that time? One place. So here one place is which number? No any number and any digits. So what to do? Sorry, blocks. So what to do that time? 0. Understood? 100 place and 10 place, what? 0. 110 place 0, all students. Got my point? So we write here all position. We write here the all position here. Place, all places. In 1000 place 4, 100 place are 0, then 10 place is 2 and 1 place is 2. Got my point, all students? In 1000 place, what to do in 1000 place? 4, 100 place 0, 10 place 2 and 1 place 0. So 4020. What, all students? 4020. Got my point, all students? 4020 is our answer. Okay. Now I hope you all are understood, and I think you wrote these all things with me, because of this all things are important in our exam also. So you must prepare not only for exam, even your also life. Okay, apply in our life. Got my points? Now students, we have move on next example or next question. Okay, reading a 4-digit number. We don't know how to read a 4-digit number. So this basis of all topics we are going to do now, reading of 4-digit number. So let's check here. Let's start here the reading 4-digit number. How can we read? Okay, so I hope you all are remember what a place value chart. Okay, first of all is which places come, all students? 1 places. Then after which places come? 10. Then after 100 and then after 1000. So one by one we all know the all places. So for every time we write the first 1 place, then 100 place, sorry, then 10 place, not 100. So be carefully. 1 place, then 10 place, then 100 place, then 1000 place. Again I am repeating you all students. First of all 1 place, then after second place, means second place is what? 10 place, then after 100 place, and then after 1000 place. First of all, which places come, all students? 1, 10 place, 100 place, and then 1000 place. Got my point, all students? Now let's start here the solving the, means how to read a number. Here is the abacus and it's all bits. Okay, abacus, it's called a abacus, and in abacus how many bits are there? We counting, and these all places we write. Okay, so in a, first of all here let's start the 1000 place. Okay, so here 1000 place. First of all 1000 place, how many blues bits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7. In abacus first place is 1000. In 1000 places how many bits are there? 7 bits are there. So in 1000 or in place of 1000 how many bits? 7. So what should be called? 7000. What, all students? 7000. Then after another place, means 100 place. So in 100 place how many bits are there? Counted, all students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8. Got my point? So we start here the next place. Okay, 7 first of all 7000, then 8 is which place is here? 100. 100. Then after which place we are coming? 10 place. Okay, here in 100 place how many yellow bits are there? 8 bits. So 800. 7000, 800. Then after 10 place how many, all students? 2, 4 means 20. Okay, 20. And how can in 10 place 2 0 means 2 and 1 place is 4. So 24. So how can we read, all students? 7,824. How can we read, all students? 7,824. Got my point, all students? This is your question number first of how to reading means reading 4-digit number. Then after we move on question number 2. Students, a second example. What is this here in second example, all students? You see this. Okay, 1000 place. In 1000 place, so blue bits, how many blue bits are there? In 1000 place, blue bits are there 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So means how many thousands are there? 4,000. How many? 4,000. So in 1000 place we write a 4,000. Got my point, all students? Okay. Then after in 100 place. So 100 place is how many bits are there? In 100 place, how many bits are there? Let's check here. 0. No bits here. So 100 place it's 0. Then after 10 place. In 10 place, how many bits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7. How many? 7, all students. So is in a 10 place 7 and 1 place is 0. So what should be that time? 17. What and how can we read 17? Okay, so what to do now? We are check here. Now we write here a full answer as a basis of these places 1000, 110 and ones. Okay, so 4 bits it means 4,000. Then after 70, 4,070. 100 place is 0. So that's why we read as like that. Got my point, all students? What I am telling you, you know? Okay, very good, all students. So students, again we read the 4,070. Got my points? Now let's check a second example, means third example. In 1000 place, how many blue bits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. So total there are 9 bits. How many bits? Total there are 9 bits. Got my point, all students? So what to do that time? What to do, all students? So that time we write 9,000. Then after 100 place, so that time what to do? That time we write a 0. Then 10 place is also 0. In 1 place only 1. So in 1000 place is 9, 100 place is 0, and 10 place is also 0, and 1 place is only 1 there. So 9,001. Okay, 9,001. Understood, all students? Got my point? Okay, so how can we read 9,001? 9,001. We should be read as like that, 9,001. Okay, first of all, what we learn here? We learn here 7,824. Then we learn here 4,017, and then 9,001. And now last is what? In 1000 place 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, and then 100 means 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 10 place 8, and 1 place is 0. So 6 place means 1000 in 6,000. 4 means 400, and then what? 18, 80. So how can we read 6,418? What all students? 6,418. Got my point, all students? 6,018. Understood? So now So all students, how can we read 6418? These all things you must be write in your book and must be practice for your FF1 exam. I hope you all are enjoying my lectures. Okay students. So this is your homework, is what you are practicing a chapter number 1 and how to read a 4-digit number. Thank you so much all of you. Thank you all students.